Ours is a legacy of prosperity and security, a proud land rising from history, a devoted people of noble heart. From sea to land and sky, the miraculous Ababil soars high above, our winged protector and namesake of the Qatari Emiri Air Force's new F-15QA. A striker, a fighter, its powerful speed unmatched. Our safeguard from above scans with sharpest vision. On swept wing, its purpose is sure and swift. The most advanced version of the Boeing jet ever built. This is our Ababil, our miraculous fighter. Strong talons holding fast, our mighty bird rises. Its expansive payload carries our might. It attacks with precision and protects with performance. For all us Qataris, a new day dawns. Together, we celebrate our heritage, our promise, our future. The F-15QA Ababil. This is our legacy come to life.